Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're going to be going over safety wiring for the Suzuki. But before we get to that, I want to give a quick shout out to the team at Modern Motorcycles for helping me get all the parts that I need to get this baby back to where it is. Thanks to Murray, Aaron, Spiro, and Russ. You guys have been a great help. And if you guys need any parts, check them out at 2816 Commercial Drive. So let's get to it. So since this is an actual racing motorcycle, all of my bolts have already been pre-drilled and I don't need to drill any of them. But to show you, I'm going to do my exhaust, which is actually a new one, and I need to safety wire this bolt to the nut here. So I'll show you how to drill the nut, and the bolt's already drilled, just the nut needs to be drilled. So then we can start safety wiring this and other stuff as well in the exhaust system here. Okay. So this is the nut that we are going to safety wire for the exhaust hanger. So I have already made my mark of where I want to drill my hole through. And I want to go across the ridge there. So there's that. And we got the drill with the drill bit. It's always good to have a whole bunch of drill bits because you will break them as you drill holes in your bolts and nuts and all that stuff. So have a whole bunch of these just as a safety, so that way you're not out running getting a whole bunch of them when you could just have a whole bunch from the beginning. So we'll put this in the vise here and start drilling the hole. You can also do this while it's on the bike, just whatever is easier for you. For me, it's easier over here because I'm not in a confined space up in there. So I'll get to that. So in this part, what we're gonna do is safety wire these two bolts together, and then we're gonna safety wire this bolt and nut together here. And that's to make sure that everything here doesn't vibrate loose from the exhaust. So, take your safety wire and your safety wire pliers. So first thing you want to do is loop your safety wire through the first hole here. Come through here. I like to make sure they're equal length. And you put them together to the point where you're going to twist the two wires together. So that's going to be my index finger and thumb mark there. Take your safety wire, attach it onto both, clip it in place, and start spinning. Okay, there you go. And then you take your other two ends, come through again, like so. And then take your pliers again, put them on both wires, lock them in place, start spinning, tighten this guy up, and there you go. Cut off the excess. Always hold on to this. Make sure you don't leave it on the ground. Put it somewhere safe, out of the way. And then this stuff's very sharp, poke your fingers. So with this tail, what I like to do is twist it in so that way it doesn't cut anyone. So now just a nice circular thing. And these bolts aren't coming undone. see there, through that bolt, up through that bolt, and on the top part here, we have it through there. Comes around the exhaust and meets up there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope this might have answered any questions you have had about safety wiring for a motorcycle. If you guys do have any questions or want me to go into more detail about anything, leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. That's all that we have. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for next week when we start to do the decals on the bike.